Now next is basic trigonometry ratios. Now we're back to the topic I said before. Those mind-blowing things. Ratios of the sine theta, cos theta. Ooh. When I first saw them, right, I felt shocked. Now the angle is there and the sine, cos. Ooh. For one thought I would almost faint. So what is this ratios? How will this help in our triangle? So basically the trigonometry, we are now dealing with right angles triangle. You know right angle triangle, right? What is right angle? 90 degree. So it's a 90 degree triangle. So let's take it, here's a figure. The triangle, let's take the B is there. Let B be 90 degree. So shall I give you another example? But this time you have to solve it. And you'll have to give the answer in the comments. You have to find the answer. So the question is, find the height of the triangle, okay, the tree casting at 20 meters. Okay, let's take it 20 meters. Shadow. The shadow is 20 meter, where a 1 meter stick shadow is casting 2 meters. How do you solve this? You have to find the height of the tree. The tree shadow is 20 and the stick is 1, shadow is 2. Now that you have to solve. Of course, I already gave the answer for the previous question. Find the answer yourself. Now, okay. So, B is the 90 degree, A and C will be there. And the most important thing of all triangle for right angle triangle is, even all triangles, be it right angle, obtuse, anything, use 3 letters. A, B, C. Only these 3 letters. Okay, children? Remember your ABCs, right? Put those ABCs for the triangle. You don't argue with me. So, as I said, use the ABCs. So, as I said, 90 degree, B, A, C. Let the A and B be C. And that could possibly be the hypotenuse. As for BC, what do you think BC will be? A. And AC? C. No, sorry, B. So, as you know, ABC is the triangle. The given sides, AB is equal to small letter c, okay? Don't use the capitals, otherwise you might get confused. So, AB is equal to small letter c. Speaking of triangles, okay. Sorry, where was I? Sorry, folks. So, AB is equal to C and BC is equal to A and AC B. So you got those? Now, how do you calculate this sine, cos? So first of all, let's take the angle A. So sine A is equal to the length of the side opposite by the length of side hypotenuse, or simply put it opposite by hypotenuse. That is, sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse of those both of the side, the triangle. Now the next is cosine. You know, in most movies they have a co-actor, so this guy is a co-actor for the sine, so cosine. Easy for you guys. So cosine A is equal to, what is it equal to? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So cosine A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Now the next is tangent A or tan A. The tan will always be with you as long as you are under the sun. Tan will never leave you, especially in mathematics. So tan A. How do you solve this? What sides you need for tan A? So tan A is opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So the A's opposite is there, and the A next to it is adjacent. So that's how we solve it. Now then, opposite of tangent is the co-actor for tangent, cotangent or cotang or cot. You know what's a cot, right? If you don't know, again you can go check the Google dictionary. I'm not gonna say it. It's for you guys. As I say, cotang. What is cotang? It's similar to tangent, but it's very different. Instead of opposite by adjacent, it's adjacent by opposite. It's like 1 by this cot. So tan is equal to 1 by cot A. For if you are given the cot, but if not, you do the cot. Cot is equal to adjacent by opposite, tan opposite by adjacent. Anyway, now next is now secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, and for the co-actor of secant, cosecant, it is hypotenuse by opposite. So what is similar between these secant and cosecant is they have both the numerators hypotenuse, but the difference is their denominators. So as for the secant, it's adjacent. As for the co, it's opposite. Now you already know this. Let's take all this opposite, adjacent, height with the other triangle, which is given here in this figure. Look here. So in this figure is given that small letters A, B, C. So how do you put this? How do you take this and put it for the signs, this ratios? So sin A is equal to A by C, and cot A, the cot A, it is B by A. Cos A, B by C. Sec A. Sec A is C by B. Tan A by B. And cosec, C by A. Got it? Sin A is A by B. Cot A is B by A. Then cos A is B by C. Sec A, C by B. Next, tan A by B. And cosec, C by A. Now you got all this. Now, next is trigonometric relation. Their relationships. How are they connected? How are they similar? So it's like you're putting them for the dating business, or you're arranging them for a marriage. So how do you arrange them for the problems? Of course, marriage does have some problems. No wonder they put this as relations. Don't you agree with me? Relationship, marriageship.